Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to add a new school post on Facebook. Whether you've just enrolled in a new school, started a program, or completed an exciting education milestone, sharing it on Facebook is a great way to let your friends and family celebrate with you. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the main page loads, look for the box at the top that says what's on your mind. Tap on it to start creating your post. Now, scroll down the options that appear until you find something called Life Events. This section is where Facebook lets you highlight important moments from your personal journey, such as starting a job, getting engaged, or in this case, joining a new school. Next, tap on Education. This will bring up several options related to your academic life. Look for and select the one that says New School. Once you choose New School, you'll be taken to a page where you can fill in your details. Here, type in the name of your new school, the dates you started attending, your program or course of study, and any other information you'd like to share. When you're done, tap Next. On the next screen, you'll see a space to write a description about your new school or experience. This part is optional, but it's a great way to personalize your post. You can write something simple like how excited you are to start your journey or what you're looking forward to the most. Finally, when everything looks just the way you want it, tap on Post. That's it. Your new school update will now appear on your timeline, and your friends will be able to see and react to your big announcement. Adding a new school post is a nice way to mark a new chapter and look back on your milestones. So go ahead, share your educational journey, and inspire others to keep learning.